Hi guys! This video is a quick refresher of what we learned yesterday in lesson 6.3. So first thing we learned was our symbol for a term in a sequence. So the symbol was a letter U, and then we put a subscript on it to represent the term number. So U sub 3 would represent the third term, U sub 10 would represent the 10th term, U sub 100 would be the 100th term, and so on. So subscript equals term number. All right, then we also learned symbols for the words now and next in our recursive formulas. For now, we used the symbol U sub n. And so we are putting a variable in the subscript, and what that's representing is you could be any point in the sequence. It's basically a symbolic way of saying wherever you're at in the sequence, whatever term number whatever term you're at. Okay. Then we had to figure out what would be the symbol for the next term, and we noticed that, okay, say you're at the 10th term, so U sub 10, the next term is U sub 11. You add 1 to the term number to signify going on to the next term. So to get our next term, we do U sub n plus 1. We're adding 1 to the term number to signify we're going one term farther in the sequence. So U sub n is wherever you're at in the sequence, U sub n plus 1 is the next term after that. Okay, then we looked at how we would translate our now next formulas into this symbolic form. So we're basically keeping everything the same except replacing our words start, next, and now with their symbols. So the symbol for the start, that's the first term, would be U and then subscript 1 because it's the first term. The symbol for now is U sub n, and the symbol for next is U sub n plus 1. So the symbolic version of this formula would be U sub 1 equals 15. That's how we say in symbols that the first term is 15. And then our rule is U sub n plus 1 equals 4 times U sub n minus 10. And this is our symbolic way of saying to get the next term, you take the current term, multiply it by 4, and then subtract 10. So that's our recipe for getting the next term. Okay, that's the recap. You should now go on to your try then check problems. You're going to be asked to write formulas from sequences and then generate sequences from formulas. So go give those a try and then check your answers.